Now, Kiss don't pay me, but I want to show y'all how much I love this spray. Now, Kiss, what I will say is y'all do need to work on something to where this nozzle stop getting stuck. Because the damn spray so fucking strong, the nozzle continues to get stuck. But alright, so here go the wig. Ouch. Nah. She got something funny going on back here. But that's alright. So we're just gonna put it like this. Alright. Then I'm gonna push it. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this. Like this. And this. Like this. Give it a little hold. Okay. This wig on. Is it fully dry? No. But is it on? Absolutely. Yeah. Kiss don't play. Y'all better get this in stylist spray. No bullshit. Now I need to stylist wig.